Okay, welcome guys again sa subject natin, Math 223, Advanced Engineering Mathematics. So for today's lesson, we will discuss basic concept about matrix and what are the different operations that we can use when dealing with matrices. Okay, so for today's lesson, ito yung outline natin. We have yung introduction ng matrix, and then we have yung general notations and concept na gagamitin natin for matrices given problems, no? Then we have yung tinatawag natin matrix operation. Okay? Learning outcomes natin for at the end of this session are as follows. Explain natin what is a matrix. To describe the different components of a matrix and its type. And last is to demonstrate the solution when applying or using different matrix operation. Okay? Right. So discuss muna natin ano ba yung tinatawag na matrix na yan. So itong matrix na to is not the movie, no? So si matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, no? Or functions enclosed in a bracket. Okay, so kita niyo may bracket siya, no? May bracket. Ayan. And yung numbers inside those bracket are called entries or elements of the matrix, no? So we have here 6 different examples ng matrices. Okay? So this is a matrix, no? A matrix din to. So nag-iiba lang siya ng size. So pag same ng number yung column and row, square matrix siya. Okay. Square matrix yung tawag kapag yung row is equals to column, no? Ano ba yung tatawag nating row? Si row is ito, yung horizontal natin, no? And then si column natin is yung vertical. Okay? So, looking at this on this matrix, yung form ng matrix natin is called by the number of row by the number of column. So let's say ang tawag natin sa matrix is M by N. Si M is pertaining sa number of rows and si N is a number ni column. So kapag sinabi natin halimbawa na 2 by 2, okay? So ibig sabihin, meron siyang 2 rows and 2 column. Okay? So sinabi halimbawa 3 by 2, so 3 rows and 3 columns. So anong itsura nun? So rows natin tatlo daw. So sabihin natin mm, ah sorry. 2 lang pala ito. And 2 column. Okay? So sabihin natin A, B, C, D, E, F, no? So we have 1, 2, 3 rows, 1, 2, 2 columns, no? Okay? So ito ngayon, anong tawag natin ngayon dito sa matrix na to? Anyone? Sa pag-ano lang ng name ng matrix natin. Again, based siya sa number of rows and number of column. So, tatawagin mo siya as M by N. So, we have ito, 1 row, second row. So, meron tayong 2. We have 2 by, ilan yung column natin? We have 1, 2, 3. We have a 2 by 3 column. 2 by 3 matrix, sorry. Okay? Next, yung kasunod niya, ito. Anong size niya? Based from the given. Siya ay merong ilang row. We have 1, 2 rows, then 2 columns. Okay? So meron tayong 2 by 2 matrix. Next. This one. Anong size ng matrix natin?
By 1 po.
3 by 1. Okay? So 3 by 1. 3 rows, 1 column. Okay? This one. The next one.
1 by 3.
Okay? So 1 by 3. So I hope lahat nakakasunod na. Ito is 3 by 3 and then this will be 2 by 2. Okay? Question before we proceed? So, ayan. So, basic pa lang to, no? Define din naman yan dito. So, we denote the matrices by a capital bold-faced letter. Okay? So, since pag nagsusulat na kayo, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-boldface, no? So, a capital letter na lang. Or by writing the general entry in brackets. Okay? So, ganito yung itsura ng matrix kapag itatawagin natin siya. So, by an M by N matrix, we mean a matrix with M rows and N columns. Okay? So, ito yung diniscuss natin kanina, no? Thus, an M by N matrix, sorry, should be X, is of the form this one. So, pag meron tayong A is equals to AJK, ibig sabihin niya meron tayong entries or element na A11, A12, and so on, so forth. Tapos dito, habang bumababa, A21, AM1. So, ano ibig sabihin? Yung subscript natin, di ba, yung entries natin, may subscript siya dito, J at K. So, yung J is pertaining sa, ito nakalagay, yung first subscript always denotes the rows. Okay? Tapos yung second, yung column. Okay? So, pag sinabing A22, ibig sabihin, second row, no? Second row, second column. So, saan dito 'yon? So, second row, ito yung second row, then second column. So, ito si A22. Okay? Another, halimbawa, dito sa given 3 by 3 matrix natin. Bawa gusto kong hanapin si A13, no? Anong value ni A13? So again, yung first natin is for row and then si second natin is for column. So ibig sabihin, first row, ito yung first row, then third column, 1, 2, 3. So ibig sabihin, ang value ng A13 will be equals to 2. Okay? Halimbawa, A23. Anong value ni A23 based from that particular notation? Anyone? A23 is equals to?
7 po.
Alright, 7, no? So, I hope nakakasunod lahat. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung lalagyan natin ng pangalan, each entries dito sa 3 by 3 matrix na to, this will be A11, ano to? A12, A13. Tapos ito si A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, then A33. Okay? Yeah. So, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. If M is equals to N, yung size ng matrix natin, yan, the matrix is called a square matrix. Okay? Kasi parehas yung size niya. As entries containing the A and N, so ibig sabihin equal yung value ng N at M or parehas siya ng number, is called the main diagonal or principal diagonal of the matrix. Okay? So, ibig sabihin dito, yan, makikita natin yung kapag square yung dapat parehas ng size. No? The A and N is called main diagonal. Okay? So, dito, yung main diagonal natin, okay, will be this one. Okay? So, same yung value ng subscript niya, no? Ito yung main diagonal natin. Makikita nyo, A11, A22, and A33. Okay? Next. We now go to sa tawag natin vector. So, si vector is also a matrix that has only one row or one column. Okay? So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng vector. So, ibig sabihin is either 1 by n siya, no? So, vector can be a 1 by n. So, ibig sabihin one row, tapos depende na kung ilan yung column niya, or pwede siyang maging m by 1 na kahit ilan yung row, pero one column lang siya. Okay? So in both cases, the entries are called components. Components naman yung tawag dun sa entries niya. Kung sa matrix na iba ang size, no? Halimbawa sa square matrix na 3 by 3, yung nasa loob niya, yung entries niya, ang tawag sa kanya are elements. Pagdating kay vector, ang tawag sa kanya are components. Tapos si vector, denoted siya by a small a lowercase boldface letter, no? So kahit lowercase letter lang siya, kung nakita natin, signifies agad siya na siya ay isang vector. So ano ba yung mga example ni vector na pwede? So let me get some values lang. Okay? So let's say we have a vector na 5, 3, tsaka 1/2. So tawag itong vector A equals to, ayan. So yung size niya is, anong size ng matrix? 1/2 to, sorry. Anong size ng matrix? Just a recap. Size nitong matrix na to? Okay.
4 by 1 po.
3 lang. Magkasama to. 1/2 to 1/2. Sorry. Baka naguluhan doon sa sulat ko, no? 1/2 yun, 1/2. Okay. Baguhin na nga natin. Gawin natin 0.5. Ayan. Okay? So, 3 by 1 tayo. Pero, since that is a matrix na meron siyang 3 rows and 1 column, and then designated siya ng small letter, ang tawag na natin sa kanya is isa siyang vector. Okay? Another is, halimbawa, vector B with entries na 4, 0, and -7. Okay? So, ito 3 by 1, ito ay 1 by 3. Okay? Again, malalaman natin siyang vector kasi yung kanyang designation ng letter is a lowercase. Okay? So, don't forget that. Okay, next is meron tayong tinatawag na transposition. So, a transpose, designated siya na yung pangalan ng matrix, tapos meron siyang exponent na t sa taas. No? Yun yung designation niya. Of an m by n matrix is the n by n matrix that has the first row of A as its first column and the second row of A as its second column, and so on. So, anong ibig sabihin? So, let's say we have a matrix na ang numbers are 5, -8, 1, 4, 0, and 0. Para makuha mo yung transpose niya, babaliktarin mo lang. Lahat ng row, gagawin mong column, yung lahat ng row magiging column, and then yung column magiging row. No? Or ito yung sundin niyo, yung first row ng A. So first row doon ng A, ito yun, yung first row ng A will be the first column of the the transpose, no? So pag tinranspose natin to, that will be 5, -8, 1, tapos ito magiging 4, 0, 0. So mag-change yung size ng matrix mo. So from 2 by 3, magiging siyang 3 by 2. And then yung entries natin is mag-i-interchange siya ng position. Okay? So dito nakapahalang siya. Ngayon, naging siyang pababa, no? O patayo. Okay? Same with the second row, naging siyang second column. Okay?
Ibig
Question ba?
kumbaga to
Alright? Okay tayo sa transposition, sa meaning ng transposition. Isa pa, limbawa, B is equals to 4 by 3, 2, tapos 0. Kunin natin yung transpose niya. Ano yung magiging transpose natin? Ano yung first column natin? First column natin will be
4, 3.
4, 3, then 2, 0.
2, 3.
Okay? So, ito napunta dito. Ito napunta dito. Okay? So, same dito. Okay? So, yan po yung transposition. Next, we have yung equality of matrices. So, kailan daw siya tawaging equal yung matrix? Two matrices, A and B, are equal if and only if they have the same size and the corresponding entries are equal. Okay, same size and number corresponding entries are equal. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin niya? So, meron tayong matrix A is equals to 4, 3, 0, negative 1. Halimbawa si matrix B is meron siyang 4, 3, 0, negative 1. Magiging equal lang siya if they have the same size. So ito is a 2 by 2. Siya ay 2 by 2. And then yung corresponding entries natin are equal. So yung A11 natin dito is equals dun sa A11 niya. A12 natin is equals sa A12. A21 is the same as A21. A22 is parehas dun sa A22 natin. Therefore, A is equals to B. Okay? So, dapat equal lahat sa kanya. Equal yung size, equal yung nakalagay dun sa mga matrix natin. Alright? Next, matrix addition. So, addition is defined only for matrices A and B of the same size. So, dapat same size siya ng matrix. Their sum is then obtained by adding the corresponding entries and matrices of different size cannot be added. So, yun yung mahalaga sa kanya, no? So, different size cannot be added. Yung uh, magandang tandaan sa kanya. Okay? So, let's say we have two matrices. We have negative 4, 6, 3, 0, 1, and 2. And then we have matrix B na merong 5, negative 1, 0, 3, 1, 0. So checking, this is a 2 by 3. This is a 2 by 3. So pwede natin siyang ipag-add. Pag pinahanap sa atin, what is A plus B? That will be equals to, yung entry by entry lang yung pag-add natin. So negative 4 plus 5. And then ito yung second, negative 6 plus negative 1. 3 plus 0. 0 plus 3, 1 plus 1, and then 2 plus 0. Okay? So, this is dito galing. Ito ay dito galing. Okay? First sa first, second sa second. Basta yung katapat lang niya, ibig sabihin. Okay? Then to simplify, just add those numbers. So, we have 1, 5, 3, 3, 2, 2. So, this will be your new matrix or yung A plus B na matrix. Okay? Question para sa matrix addition? Okay tayo, matrix addition? So, parang nag-add lang naman kayo, no? Na nilagay lang natin sa bracket pero parang basic math pa lang din. Okay? Next. Scalar multiplication na ba tayo? Next. And scalar multiplication. Okay? So, the product of any m by n matrix and any scalar C is the m by n matrix CA is equals to CAJK obtained by multiplying each entry in A by C. Okay. So, paano ba yan? So, I'm looking for an example. Wait lang. Okay, so wait, let me check. Okay, so for example, we have a matrix na ang terms na is 2, -4, 5, 0, 1, -3. Okay? And multiplied siya by any scalar. So let's say number 4, ibig sabihin number lang siya, no? Okay? So pag kinuha natin yung product niya or yung C times A, gagawin lang natin yung scalar natin na 4, multiply lang natin ng 2, -4, 5, 0, 1, -3. Then makukuha mo siya by multiplying yung each entries doon sa loob ng matrix by the number 4. So this will be 4 times 2, 4 times -4, 4 times 5, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, and 4 times -3. Okay? So, this will be, ano yung bagong matrix natin? Yung CA natin. That will be 8, -16, 20, 0, 4, and -12. So, that will be our new matrix. So, same din siya, no? Kung halimbawa, factorable dun sa buong matrix, yung number na yon, okay? Pwede mo siyang i-factor out. So, let's say, we have a matrix na equals halimbawa sa 2, 18, 16, tsaka 10. Okay? So, kita ninyo na siya ay divisible by 2. Okay? So, pwede mong i-factor out yung 2 niya. So, this will be 2 and this will be 1, 9, 8, 5. Okay? So, si 2 will be treated as a scalar, no? And then, ito yung matrix natin. Okay? That is kung siya ay common dun sa all entries natin. Okay? Yun yung scalar multiplication. Now, I think this is the last one, ha? Matrix multiplication naman tayo. So, the product C is equals to AB of an M by N matrix A and an R by P matrix B. So, binago lang yung notation para hindi lang siya malito, no? Kasi ginamit ng M by N dito. Gumamit siya ng R by P. Matrix defined if and only if R is equals to N. So, meaning dapat yung row nung second matrix mo is dapat equal siya do sa column nung first matrix mo. Okay? Kaya nakalagay, number of rows of second factor or yung second matrix mo should be equal to sa number of columns nung first matrix mo. Okay, so paano yun? So let's say meron tayong A is equals to 5, 2, 3, -4. And then we have B is equals to 5 and 6. Okay? So, identify mo muna yung size niya. So, this is a 2 by 2. Then, this is a 2 by 1. Dapat yung sabi, yung row nung second, diba, kukunin mo yung A times B niya, no? So, ang second mo dito, ito yung second mo, ito yung first mo. Okay? So, dapat daw yung row ng second, number of row ng second, ay equal sa number of row ng number of column nung first. Okay? So makikita natin dito, yung number ng row ng second is 2. Okay? 2 is equals to number of column ng first. So yung first natin na ito, then yung number of columns niya ay 2. Okay? So once na siya ay na-satisfy, pwede mo siyang pag-multiplyin. No? Then paano yung multiplication niya? Dun sa previous slide, meron siyang nilagay na formula, no? Pero I doubt na may magtsatsaga na mag-aral na mag-memorize na to, no, or aralin to. Okay? Ang best way para mas mapadali is yung pag-multiply natin, gawin natin take first yung number ng numbers in the first row of matrix 1. So, yung matrix 1 muna. Susulat ko nga. Take the number in the first row of matrix 1. Okay? Pagkakuha mo nung number na yon, multiply mo yung each number by its corresponding number in the first column. Okay? So, multiply each number by its corresponding number in the first column of matrix 2. Then, total their product. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin? So, yung first row daw natin, so ito yung first row natin with the first column ng matrix number 2. Okay? So, para makuha mo yung magiging sagot, titingin ka dito sa number of row, dito sa ano mo. Diba? Na-satisfy mo na dapat yung nasa loob niya is parehas. Yun na lang yung pinakamadali. No? Yung magiging size ng product mo should be kung ano yung size niya sa labas. So, dapat maging 2 by 1 yung magiging sagot mo sa A, B. Okay? So, dapat maging siyang 2 by 1. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 2 rows, 1 column. So, ito yung magiging sagot natin. Okay? Ano yung ilalagay mo dun sa loob na yon? Ilalagay mo sa loob niya is itong procedure na to. So, take the first row, the numbers in the first row of the matrix, and then multiply each number by its corresponding number in the first column of the second row. So, ibig sabihin, si 5, i-multiply mo do sa first column. Tapos, si 2, multiply mo dun sa second row sa first column. Okay? So, that will be, as i-add mo siya, ito total mo. So, magiging siyang 5 times 5 plus 2 times 6. Yun yung first entry mo ngayon dun sa product mo. Okay? Same procedure para dun sa pangalawa. So, itong second row natin multiplied by the first column, no? Kasi isang column lang naman yung magiging sagot natin. Kaya isang position lang yung i-multiply natin. Later, mag-example ako ng isa na magkaiba yung size, no? Para mag-gets natin. So, we have here, this will be 3 times 5. Okay? Yung second row, first column, plus yung negative 4 times 6. Okay? Then, this will be your answer. So, simplify mo na lang. This will be 25 plus 12, that is ilan? 37. Then 15 minus 24, so that will be negative 9. So that will be your product for this particular given matrices. Okay? Okay. Another example para mas maintindihan. Ano? Ayan. So, let's say yung A natin is equals to 2, 3, negative 5, 6, 9, tsaka negative 7. Multiply, then meron tayong given na B. Ang ano niya is 1, negative 2, 0, 3, 4, and negative 5. Okay? So, kunin mo lang o sulat mo lang yung size niya. So, this is a 3 by 2 matrix. And then, this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay? So pag pinakuha sa inyo yung multiplication niya na A times B, check mo lang, ito ba ay equal dito? Pag yes, pwede siya i-multiply. Okay? And then, ano yung magiging size? Yung size niya will be yung exterior. Okay? So yung magiging size natin will be a 3 by 3 matrix. So yung ano natin ngayon will be a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay? So ibig sabihin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Yan. Pero ano yung numbers ng mga nakalagay doon? Okay? So same pa din, first row, first column, and then ang susundan mo is kung nasang column ka nagmo-multiply. So kung sa first column ka nagmo-multiply, ibig sabihin yung nilalagyan mo ng entries are all first column. Okay? Bawa, ito, yung magiging first na element natin ngayon will be 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3. Okay? So first row, first column. So itong 2 times mo sa 1, itong 3 times mo sa 3. Okay? Next, yung second row, ta-times mo ng first. Okay? Pag times mo yon, that will be negative 5 times 1 plus 6 times 3. Okay? So second row, first column. So first column pa lang din yung inaano natin. Nilalagyan natin, no? Kaya first column tayo nagmo-multiply. Okay? Next, third row, first column, ibig sabihin dito yon. So, ibig sabihin 9 times 7 at 9 times 1, sorry, plus negative 7 times 3. Okay? That will be 9 times 1 plus negative 7 times 3. So, ito na yung first row natin para doon sa sagot natin. Second row. Second row will be same procedure, first row tayo, pero ngayon, second column na yung multiply natin. Okay? So, this will be 2, negative 2 plus 3 times 4. Okay? Next, negative 5 times negative 2 plus 6 times 4 plus 9 times negative 2 plus negative 7 times 4. Okay? So, yan yung second column natin. Ito yan. Okay? Last column. So, first row times last column. Second row times last column. Tapos yan. Okay? So, this will be 2 times 0 plus 3 times negative 5. Negative 5 times 0 plus 6 times negative 5. Then this will be 9 times 0 plus negative 7 times negative 5. Okay? So, that is our entries, no? So, para to simplify lang, AB will be equals to, calculator nyo na, no? 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9. So, we have 11. Okay? 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 12. So, we have 8. Positive 8. 2 times 0, 0. Plus 3 times negative 5. So, negative 15. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5 plus 18. So, we have 3. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10 plus 24. We have 34. Then negative 5 times 0 is 0 plus negative 30. Okay. 9 times 1 is 9 minus 21. So, this will be negative 12. No? 5 at 18. So, this should be 13 pala to. Okay. So, negative 18 tsaka negative 28. So, this will be negative 46. Okay. Then, negative positive 7 times 5. So, 35. Okay. So, this will be your matrix now after multiplying. Okay. Question? You have question ba or you want additional example?
No.
None na? Okay. So, I would say practice no kung paano mag-multiply if you know na already. Patingin ng previous page. Yeah, this one. Nagiging blank. What do you mean? Zero? O yung matrix mismo is blank? Yung matrix kapag blank, edi wala. Hindi siya katulad ng parang set, di ba? Mayroong null set, no? Pag matrix, edi it's either pag nakakita ka ng blank, na typo siya, or dapat meron siyang ano bang tawag doon? Null matrix siguro. Pero hindi pa ako naka-encounter ng na blanco yung matrix, no? So if ever may blanco kayong na-experience, maybe it is a typo or maybe yung entries niya are zeros. Okay? So later I will upload ng yung research na muna. Yung problem set is after na nung next week na topic natin para isang computation na problem yung pagsasamahin na natin yung na-discuss natin today and then yung madi-discuss natin next week. Okay? So, if we don't have any more question, this ends our lecture for today.